Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, everyone. This day I will explain about my research. My research in the International Conference on Coastal and Delta Areas. My title of research is Analysis of Wear Hot Asphalt Concrete, SAVC, material with addition of slag and resin for road condition and load in tide. Yes, my background of research. This is a rock of tidal water is seawater flooding or rising sea level caused by high tide water inundate the land. Rock is a problem that occurs in areas lower than sea level. And this is a similar for my research because I'm research in the coastal area. That is in the national road have immersion water, and the study aims to examine the effect of asphalt mixture as a wearing course with the addition of resin steel slag aggregate on the asphalt stability, obtain job make design for road conditions that are induced by height and assess the effect of immersion road water against asphalt resistance with the addition of resin and steel slag. The big one, this is similar for my before I said. The Professor Jana Jambek said the marine based initiated by plastic bag and unsolved plastic with 62%, and the mom plastic of West Indonesia sits in state complex water, second place after China. This is estimated that 10% of the world total plastic weighs around 0.48 until 1.29 million metric ton, and upstream waste. The case of the marine waste or the waste in the beach is very interesting for weekend research because some the beach we hope the beach is cleanly, but some people not now, but this is very important for our to we can keep the beach and help us our all people cannot beach have a cleanly beach. Research of the before aspirin polymer began 24 and our selection early 2015 with a focus use of plastic bags. What is purpose for my research? One is assess the effect of asphalt mixture, asphalt concrete cars, with the addition of resin and steel slag aggregate on the stability of asphalt wearing cars. Not we to match the permeable has effect permeability rates. The 16 liter not, but we can find the access the effect of asphalt mixture. The second purpose is obtain a job make design for the road condition submersible type. Yes, we can know we can find the best of the job make design for the spiraling cost. This is very strong for the immersion water, especially for the tap water. But we can have two method for the tap water and the some water if we can know this is water for the rain. Sounds like we can use. This is the classy vertical, something we call metal slabs or surface for future, and we can find the industrial slag The some types for the slag is for feature, export glass curved surface, and the type of slag is in export glass curved surface. That tip because this is a small absorption capacity compared to other types. Some types of slag we can find the one's portion for the absorption capacity. If we use the flow feature, not the export glacis, we can find the 2% until the 5% to the absorption capacity. Implementation, the research implementation for this research, there is one resin have a resin material. The resin is contain 0%, 5%, 7%, and 10%, and the aggregate composition with 50% slag and 25% for the slag. As usual is the comparison of the high tight water and hot water. We have a new water used. The soaking method there is the continuous and periodic uh, immersion. We can know the continuous of immersion table. There is 7 day to immersion, and then Marshall testing. 40 days immersion, and then testing. 21 immersion and testing. We hope the 20 days. I know the 20 days is not maximal for we can take water, but this is some I should say we can now this stability for the national cost in 21 days. But we hope there's a hope, sisters is hope in the 1 years the asphalt building costs have the best of stability. Maybe we can immersion this asphalt building cost in 1 years and have a good or the best job make formula. And the vertical knowledge table, we can now 20 hours to immersion, 20 hours to recovery, 20 hours to immersion, immersion testing, 20 hours immersion, recovery, immersion, immersion testing, and 20 hours immersion, recovery, 20 hours immersion, recovery, and immersion testing. The parameter is stability, flow, and void mineral, void mineral aggregate, void mineral aggregate, void fill bitumen, and Marcel Quentin. For the penetration on this, for the penetration of this asphalt cost, the results say 65%, or no, 65 millimeter for the penetration in 24 Celsius and have a softening point in 48.75 degrees Celsius. We hope that the asphalt will able to withstand the appreciated mixture combustion and will also able with stand traffic loads. The method of optimum asphalt content, the obtain the optimum asphalt content or KAO of the concrete asphalt layer less than mixture use asphalt content ranging from 4%, 5% with an equals weight of 0.5%. That's data and parameter analysis in this table. Then the optimum asphalt content we can use in shape portion for this research. To the arbus water or so water for the food water expansion result, we can find the salting level 22.58 gram per liter, and the for water 60.93 gram per liter. Aggregate component graph. This gradation has made the technical specification of Pinamarca so that there are no cross aggregates or fine aggregates that do not complete with the requirement. We use the shift analysis to match this process and this aggregate for combination gap. If we not find the best aggregate for the uh, made in technical specification, we not use, and we can uh, make something material for the new aggregate combination trade. And the resource HJ continuing shocking, we have a stability in 870 878% and have in the resin content 10% have 900 907.8 T. This is the result 2 days continuous soaking. For result demarcation of the asphalt content, result of 3 days of continuous soaking, namely at 25%, 60% slag with 7% and 5%, 7%, and 10% resin content do not meet specification or can't be used or as road pavement, with the average result of air cavity void in mineral that in means 2.84 and minus 0.71 minus 1.30 2.2 2.2. As for the specification of the market, at 3% until 5%. The conclusion based the data analysis conducted in this study, the following conclusion can be drawn based off the Marshall test. The stability value for a mixture 0%, 3%, 7%, and 10% resin content with the immersion for 3 and 7 days. According to proficiency in a market specification, based on the result of the research that has been done, the job makes design for the condition submerged in raw water is in an asphalt mixture with 7 resin content because the result of the test meet specification of Pinamarca 20 active revision. Based of the result of the water immersion carried out, the longer the immersion with water can cause a decrease in the asphalt stability value and from flow value, which can affect the durability of the asphalt. Yeah. Thank you very much for attention. If I have one say, I can say I'm so sorry. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.